Do you want to turn off reply on Facebook Story? You can hide send message button on Facebook Story with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To turn off replies on a Facebook Story? First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Once you're on Facebook, tap on the three lines menu at the top or bottom of the screen. Now, scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy, then tap on Settings from the expanded menu. On the Settings screen, scroll down to the Audience and Visibility section. From here, find and select Stories. A new screen will open with different story settings. Here, you will see the option Allow replies to your stories. Now, turn off the toggle switch button next to Allow followers to reply to your stories. Once this is turned off, the Send Message button will be hidden from your stories, and viewers won't be able to reply.